Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's go a little deeper today. Let's see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action can we expect in this dynamic now. And these are general collective readings, Cancer, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your loving support. And yes, of course, if you're new here, Cancer, we welcome you in too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So as always, Cancer, I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. For me, this is person A, this is going to be person B. If this is your reading, you'll immediately know which side you resonate best with, right? And in the center, of course, we'll have what action person A will take and what action person B will take. And we'll do some dialogue message cards as well. So this relationship has kind of taken a wrong turn here, Cancer, from what I see. And overall, what I feel is person A is having a lot of regret now. Oh my God, this standing there in deep sorrow and regret of all this spilt emotion now on the ground, and they are thinking of coming forward with an apology. And for person B, they've kind of made a decision now that, I was never respected. I was never given my pedestal as the Empress, and I no longer want to grow with person A anymore. Okay, rest of the cards we'll do later. Let's start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. So Cancer and their person spirit. And Cancer, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Okay, we've got our cards. Let's take a few from here, which are true confessions. One more. Cancer and their person spirit. Thank you. I think we've got enough to get the ball rolling. Cancer, let's begin. So the first card here says, I honestly don't think anyone will love you more than I do. Just saying. That sounds so much like the Empress, doesn't it? Empress knows their worth. They don't demand attention, they just command it. And they know their worth and they're saying, hey, listen, you can do whatever you want. I just know that nobody in this world could have ever or can ever love you the way I could have, or I do love you. And just saying, by the way, are you sorry for hurting me? Yes, they are. They want to say sorry. They want to come forward with an apology, Empress. I still have your pictures saved. Well, that's no compensation for this, Empress. You have to do more than save their pictures. I daydream about being the mother/father of your children. They keep saying you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? Yes, that could be a direct one for me here, Cancer. But I never said they'd come back. I just told them, I think last time also I told you, they've kind of realized what they've done. And here also, they're in deep regret. We'll see what they're going to be doing now, what action they'll be taking. But next card here says, I'll always remember you. You are unforgettable. I have other things on my mind other than you. I can't handle you not being in my life forever. For now, but not forever. So whatever has happened here, this person is now regretting it big time. They feel, hey, you can't just leave me and go away forever. I can't handle that. Okay, little tiff here and there. You sulk one day and I, go and do what I have to do. That's fine. I know that eventually we'll get back together, right? But this is like, I can't handle this, knowing that you'll never come back to me now. Okay, so if these are resonating with you, Cancer, let's begin your reading. And let's start, of course, with a blessing from my angels to see how they're going to bless, advise, guide my Cancer gang. So let's see. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Cancer regarding this relationship now. Safe travel. Okay, Cancer, keep moving, whoever this Empress is. You don't have to wait around for anyone. If they need to catch up, they will. Spirit is saying they have you on their back. I mean, whatever path you're being guided towards, you keep doing your thing. You don't have to look back. You are being supported by the angels. And look at this lake. This baby is on the back of this angel, not even a little toe getting wet, right? So Spirit is saying, we have your back, we have you on our back. So don't have to worry. There's a clear path ahead of you. So you don't have to be in that state of ever getting off that Empress throne. If they have to apologize, come chasing after you, so be it. Take a call then. All right, so let's start clarifying for person A. So let's forget person B for a minute. I'm only going to concentrate on one person. So person A's energy, as of now, they are feeling very, very sad, very regretful. So yes, they feel I was very immature. I never took action when there was the time. I was always dipping in and out of their life. I was maybe behaving like a player, maybe because I never wanted to offer commitment. What did I do? I shouldn't have behaved like that. And what else are they regretful about, Spirit? What else are they regretful about? As they feel that they didn't come to this Empress in full power. They may have come for passion, maybe for romance, maybe said sweet nothings to this Empress, wined them, dined them, sang songs to them, probably bought them wine or chocolates or something, but never really offered them commitment. Right? They always came in this kind of energy, knight energy, never the king energy or, taking control of a relationship, emperor, king, nothing. Just knight energy. Night. Sounds like the day and night, right? But yeah, but they never offered commitment. And that's what person A has a lot of regret and sorrow about now. I wish I had done the right thing when the time was right. So, do they want to come forward with an apology now, Spirit, with the Page of Cups? Page of Cups. Yes, they do want, they want a return of this connection. They don't feel strong without their partner anymore. They want a return. They either want their person to return or they want to return back to their person. They feel they're a little afraid right now. They don't have the courage because they feel their person is angry and upset with them and is no longer wanting them anymore. Maybe there is a lack of communication now between the two of you, Cancer. So this person is feeling a little bit of a coward right now. They don't have the strength to face this person B, who they never really respected and made them feel like the Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is again that spouse, that perfect wife, that perfect partner. They know that they never offered that, and they feel, yes, maybe now person B has turned their back on them and will no longer want to talk to them anymore. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for all this scenario to happen? Three of Swords. Some hearts got broken here. I think maybe person A broke person B's heart by not taking action. They just stayed stuck in one position for too long. They didn't move when the time was right. Am I right, Spirit? Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. This person knew that person A is their wish fulfillment. They knew that they should do the right thing, but somehow they just played mind games. Silly. They knew this is their person. This is the star, this is their wish fulfillment, this is the person who's destined. This is like a soul contract, or this is the person who I should be with. But this person never brought that complete happiness to this connection, always kept dimming person B's light, probably playing mind games with them, always trying to show that I'm the better one, or you're not good enough, or it's my way or the highway. Just kind of playing a nasty game, I would say. Maybe because they didn't want to commit, so they were trying to create some problem or the other in this connection. That's what led to this stuck place. Hanged man? What's this hanged man spirit? What happened in the recent past? Hanged man? Yeah, because they never really moved. They just stayed stuck in their position. My partner decided I'm not going to stay stuck in this connection anymore. I can't take any more of these sleepless nights, always worrying, always checking my phone. Is there a text from them? Where are they now? Are they with somebody else? So because their partner never moved, I think person B decided I'm going to get unstuck from this situation, because I can't deal with this anymore. I can't be in this stressful place all my life. Alright, so how does person A now feel about person B or the connection? Queen of Swords. Maybe they feel that their partner has now picked up their sword and no longer going to tolerate any of these mind games anymore, because it's coupled with the Five of Swords again, right? So they feel, my person B has seen through all my games now, is now no longer going to be tolerating any kind of nonsense from me. Yes, they feel that person B has now got their truth and their clarity, and they know what they want and what they don't want. They feel that person B has really leveled up and wizened up to all these silly games that they were playing maybe in the past. What's this Five of Swords spirit? Five of Swords. Five of Swords. Yes, they feel this Empress has now made a decision that I'm not going to be dealing with any of these silly mind games of yours, and I'm forging ahead. That fog has cleared now. So what action now person A will take, we'll do later. Let's go on to person B's side, see how they're doing. Two of Swords in reverse spirit. Yes, they have made a decision, that's for sure. Person A is right about that. Yes, they feel that this relationship was never built on any foundation. It was built on sand, and it's crumbled. And I'm going to allow it to crumble, because it's my decision that I'm not going to even look back and see the debris falling now. One more card spirit for the Two of Swords. Yes, person B doesn't want to be at crossroads anymore. Maybe they had been waiting for a very long time. Will person A take action? Will we go left? Will we go right? But now, no more. They've made the decision. I'm bailing out. If this tower is falling, it is falling for a reason, because there was nothing, no solid foundation here. Empress in reverse. Empress is in reverse is basically them not wanting to. Yeah, they are guarding themselves now. I'm not going to be that sweet Empress for you all my life. I'm going to guard my energy now. I'm no longer going to be the only one giving and getting drained out. One more for the Empress spirit. One more for these. Yeah, see? I mean, person A, I have to say, hats off, person A. You have read your person B very well. If you see them as the Queen of Swords, that's exactly what they've become, the Queen of Swords. This person B is not playing anymore. They've got their sword up to say, enough is enough. Why is person B in this state spirit? Because in the past, person A was only bringing them false promises. Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to switch my ringer off. I'll be back in 1 second. I'm so sorry, Cancer. I totally forgot to put that off. Okay, so yes, in the past, uh, person A was only bringing them false promises, whatever sweet words or whatever never amounted to anything. Even though person B was very happy with person A, but all these sweet promises never amounted to anything, it seems. Knight of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. Knight of Cups in reverse. They felt this person was only behaving like a dictator, wanting to control the situation, not taking charge of this connection, not being the emperor. Okay, instead just trying to emotionally, maybe with their sweet nothings, try and control the direction of this relationship, whether it would grow, which way it would grow, when you guys would meet, maybe planning or cancelling your dates. And there was only one person who was only, this is one single person who was putting in all the effort. So it could have been person B doing all the work, and now they've realized that I got played here. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Yes, they feel the person was behaving in a very immature manner. As much as they were happy with them, as much as they kind of loved them, but now whatever memories that have been created in person B's mind about person A are not the best. This is like things have kind of soured between the two of you. From a beautiful Nine of Cups feeling. Okay, so how does person B now feel about person A, Spirit? Nine of Wands in reverse. What's this Nine of Wands in reverse? Yeah, they feel I don't want to fight for this connection anymore. This is anyway stagnated, and I'm not going to feel in this state all my life. Always feeling neglected, always feeling abandoned, never getting that offer that I deserve. And the death card in reverse. Yeah, as much as they don't want to let go, there is a part of them, I think, which still kind of holds on to the memories, not liking this change that's happening, but they're also kind of feeling, what's the point of fighting for a connection? Because each time we do come together, it just ends up to be either a fight or a conflict. This person only brings, immature behavior and a conflict. So let's see now what action person A will take towards person B. The Moon in reverse. So do they want to come and reveal some truths now, Spirit? What's this Moon in reverse? Is the action. Moon in reverse. They want to come and tell person B that I find you really hot and sexy. I think you are the perfect woman. I can't get my eyes off you. Okay, that we know. What else, Spirit? What other action will person A take towards person B? What other action are they going to take? They will come and speak their truth, but what is it about? Apart from the compliments they want to give, of course, what else are they going to do? Or do they want to do? If they get that courage up, they want to begin again. They want to offer something which is maybe, hey, can we start from scratch again? Let's start a stable, new once again. They don't like the fact that, there's stagnation in this connection now. They still find person B really, really attractive and the kind of person they'd want in their life. I mean, the Queen of Wands is somebody who everybody wants in their life. Oops. They are trying to, I don't think they have the courage right now, Cancer. This is what they really want though. This is what they're trying to manifest, that if I can come forward and we can start talking again, if we can begin again, they do want to come and express what is in their heart. But they are, at least the good part is, from being the magician in reverse, this person is now the magician upright. I mean, it took a lot of, it got stuck to my arm, you saw that. And it was still deciding, does it want to come upright or in reverse? But thankfully it did come upright, which is now this person is now kind of trying to manifest person B back into their life. Let's see, let's take one more. What else, Spirit? Ooh, thank God I took one more card, Cancer. They know this is my Two of Cups. This is the Two of Cups. This is that soulmate connection. They've recognized person B to be the one. And no wonder they're having so much regret and sorrow. What have I let go of? I've let go of my Two of Cups here. They want to come and reveal their love for person B now. I don't know whether they can do it physically, come forward, but because they're still very, very scared because of that sword, this Queen of Swords, but they are trying to manifest a fresh, brand new beginning. Let's see, person B. Will person B be taking any action now, Spirit? Star in reverse. Why is the star in reverse as action, Spirit? Why is the star in reverse as action for person B towards this connection? Yeah, person B's kind of given up hope. They've given up hope to say, hey, like, here my wishes are never going to come true. I am ending this chapter. I've got good luck now on my side. I'm going to keep it moving and shaking here. I'm on my way towards my brand new beginning. I'm forging ahead and going with the flow of life now. I don't think person A can ever make my wishes come true. Anyways, like I did for person A, I'm not going to leave you, person B. Let's take one more and see if there's any action person B will take now. No, person B is saying, I have had enough trouble in my life. I am now sailing off to a calm, beautiful space for myself. So, person A, please quickly go and catch person B if you recognize this connection, because person B is in a very good place right now. They are no longer taking bullshit and they are ready to start a brand new chapter of their life. They're not happy with you at all. They're not wanting to grow with you because they think you're very selfish. You're very self-centered, very selfish, and they have dropped you. They don't want to be in this feeling of, always feeling abandoned and left out, which probably person A always did to them. And this person B is saying, all right, I'll be happy on my own. I've got my 9 cups and I'll make do with that. Right? So that's what's happening. Safe travel, person B. Yes, I see somebody sailing away. So safe travels. And person A, you better rush if you want a person B. So that's all I have for you, Cancer. Hope you enjoyed your reading. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.